to Thursday, Cooking with Kevin. This week, as promised, more Saskatoons. What do we do? Saskatoon cookies. Once again, I will have a picture of this at the end of the clip, so you can pause and look at the ingredients, but I'll still read them out. So we're going to have a half a cup of butter at room temperature, 2/3 cup brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of light sour cream. I use normal sour cream. I don't think it's going to make a difference. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of Saskatoons. Preheat the oven, 350. However you want to bake cookies, we always line ours with parchment paper for the cookie sheets. And so we are going to start off. We are going to cream the butter and the brown sugar together. We're going to do this until it gets creamy. Okay, we're going to add in our egg. And now we're going to add in our sour cream. Then you can use, I use normal sour cream, you use light sour cream. I don't think it's going to really matter too much. Okay, so while that's going, we're going to take a bowl and we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So 1 cup of flour, white flour, and then 1 cup of the whole wheat. 2 tablespoons of our baking powder. And we're going to do a pinch of salt. Then we're just going to mix that all in together. Turn this down. We're now going to add the dry ingredients. And it's normal that you have to kind of scrape the bottom because obviously the mixture itself doesn't touch the bottom. You just put the guard back on. Yeah, by the looks of it, this particular recipe doesn't look like it makes a lot of cookies, so that's okay. Okay, so now we're going to take our 1 cup of Saskatoons, which I've already got ready, pre-rinsed. And we're I'm just going to gently fold them into the mix. And as I thought, I'm going to have to do this by hand. All right. So we got our cookie sheet, 10 to 15 minutes for baking time. I don't know how many or how big they're going to be, so I will maybe make a couple dozen. I don't know. I just don't know how big they're going to expand either. Never making these before. Look like they're gonna be good. I always make cookies, I always like to just press them down just a little bit to start forming that round shape. Of course, I always do that with the peanut butter cookies, but I use a fork just to put a little design in them when I make my peanut butter cookies. I think what I'm going to do is make it safe. Spread these out and just do 9 at a time, because I just don't know how big they're going to, how much they're going to spread out. Of course, the dough got a little gooey because the berries were still a little well, this, I honestly, you know, this is going to give me a test. How much they spread out. I put timer on for 15, but I will check them out at the 10-minute mark. Okay, so when I bring them out, I'll give a show everybody. Okay, turn the camera back up. Cookies are done. Turn that timer off. Oh, they look good. Okay, they don't flatten out like I thought. I'm just gonna kind of hold them up. Hopefully you can kind of see them. But they look good. I think they're nice golden brown on the bottom. Yeah. Which is just perfect. So I have to let these cool off just a little bit before I transfer them over to the rack. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna taste test. But not right now. We got a couple special guests that are gonna be with us when we taste test. So stay tuned, don't go away, and we'll be back. Okay, here we are. It's after supper. like I said, we have 2 guests. We're gonna try the cookies. We have Dorothy.
Hi.
We have Len. Hello. So,
Guinea pigs.
dig in.
They,
Tell us
and-
what you think.
they
These-
look amazing.
These are the muffins from this past week.
I'll try the muffin.
Well, you gotta try both.
You gotta try the cookies.
You gotta try both.
Yeah.
You have to.
Mmm.
Are they good? Yeah.
You gonna try one? I already tried one, so.
Oh, you bugger.
Oh,
Oh, I'm the cook. I can eat my own cookie whenever I want.
They're not like a real sweet cookie.
Hey, camera girl. Watch where you're pointing the camera.
I am.
Okay. Pay attention. Costs nothing. Pay attention. All right. So we're gonna wrap the video up there.
Well, no, I want them to try those first.
Oh, you want them to try? Yeah, but we already had those on the other video.
Yeah, I know, but I want everybody to see what their thoughts are.
Oh,
No, it's okay.
it's okay.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
You are
I
pushing.
have a bite of
Listen,
cookie.
Lee,
That's
listen.
okay.
Listen, Lee, I'm gonna start calling you Karen.
No,
You're pushy.
I might be pushy, but I ain't bitchy.
I'm gonna edit that one.
No. Get staying in.
Aren't they the best muffin?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh. All right.
Okay. So that's it. So next week, yeah, I'm not telling you what I'm doing, but it will have Saskatoons in them. All right. Anyways, thanks for joining us this week, and stay safe. See you later.